You can implement a simple if else also. Consider an input client which has a country equals to Brazil. In my output, I want to write a citizenship as a Brazilian if the country name is Brazil. If country name is anything else, then I want to write um, citizenship as a foreigner. So see, here I added a shift operation. Inside that, I'm going into client name I am picking up. This is just to put a name into client name. So under client name, it will pick up this sample client. But country, it will look for a country. Under that, we specified that if you get a value Brazil, then create a node client dot citizenship and put a default value, because this is hash in left hand side becomes a default value. So create a node client citizenship and put a default value as a Brazilian when you have a value equals to Brazil. If you have a value anything else than Brazil, so that means star, anything else, then create a node client citizenship and put a default value as a foreigner. So that's why as this input contains Brazil, I got a citizenship as this default value Brazilian.